Can you tell me a little bit about the food that you grew up with?
It was always a fight at home between the Polish and the Russians. So we had, if my mother prepared borscht, she used to serve it to one side of the table with potatoes and cucumbers for the Polish, and on the other side with sour cream for the Russians. And we always made fun of her, and then started cooking in the Mexican way. So now we're all mixed up. And for example, in Pesach, we at home call them matzaquiles. It's Mexican chilaquiles made with matzah and hot sauce and everything. My great-grandmother was really Russian. She prepared the borscht, and she always drank brewing coffee, with the smoke. But and whatever she prepared, my grandmother kept. For example, for Yom Kippur, after the fast, she always prepared kreplach, and I have the board and the rolling pin that comes from Russia, from my great-grandmother. We have been passing that along. Until this day, we have a recipe from my Oldak great-grandmother for the strudel that no one has been able to make, because it's avicele fundos, avicele funyens. We have never been able to calculate it. But it was always a mixture and fighting between the Polish and the Russians. Some like it sweet, some like it sour, and it was always not so much a fight, but they were combining a combination of both kitchens.